If you're experiencing controller drift while playing The Sims 4, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller is properly configured in the game settings. Go to the Options menu and verify that the controller settings are correctly set up for your device. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a microfiber cloth to clean around the analog sticks and buttons. If necessary, use compressed air to blow out any particles that may be stuck. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In The Sims 4, you can adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Go to the Settings menu and look for controller options to increase the dead zone, which can help mitigate drift. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is specific to The Sims 4 or your controller, try using it with another game. If drift occurs in multiple games, the problem may be with the controller itself. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in The Sims 4. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.